afternoon and evening, everybody. So hello, welcome back to Marine Vlog. My name is Josh, for all of those who are just tuning in now. I'm the algae culturist for Cornell Cooperative Extension of Suffolk County's Marine Program. Whew, that is a lot to say in one breath. So, this is going to be probably the last algae video of the series for now, but I figured to kind of end everything with a pop. So, in addition to all the systems that we have seen with the previous videos, I wanted to end on this bad boy right here. So these are bioreactors, and we have 4 of them. Woo! So we have 4 of them. They're made by a company called Industrial Plankton, based out of British Columbia. Pretty much these machines do my job kind of for me, with all the different parameters that go into algae culture. All I have to do is pretty much set these bad boys to whatever settings I want, and they control automatically through this computer system what I want them to do. All the different pretty color lights are all LEDs. They're self-cleaning, and they produce a really nice culture. So why do we have these? So in order to produce the hundreds of millions of shellfish that we need to produce, in addition to the bag system that we have, these 4 bioreactors ensure that we have enough food to feed everybody before they get big enough to get placed onto raw water. We have other videos associated with these machines as well, so this might be a little bit repetition with these bad boys, but we're really proud to have them. They're fantastic machines to work with. In addition to all the other systems that we have, everything has been working out pretty well. I wish I could find some wood to knock on, but everything's all concrete. But yeah, any questions about any of the algae cultures, or any of the steps along the way, please feel free to ask them. More than happy to ask any question or answer any question anybody might have. For one last look at these big bad spaceships. So I hope everybody has a great day and is doing well, and we'll be back to normal soon, hopefully. All right, later, guys.